Welcome to IgniteCon. IgniteCon was born with the intention of one thing, and that one thing is growth. Whether that's from a perspective of business or for you personally, the intention of this event is growth.
This year was a little bit more around refinement. Really take the things which really worked last year, build on that, add a few new things, refine it a little bit more so that the SMEs get more benefit than from last year.
Everyone shared a similar idea around the fact that it's becoming a little bit more evident that there are subconscious programs driving them and it's actually not helping them achieve their success. So what we've actually just focused on now is the workings of the mind, right? What the operating system of the mind is like, and also how individuals are able to change what they are believing so that they can have a better experience and better results in their life.
That personal development quite helps as well into the business, because it feeds into the business, you know. So who you are in business is actually who you are in private.
When I went to bed last night, I felt like there was a load off of me, in the sense like, it's okay, you know, it's okay to be vulnerable. I was vulnerable last night. I was like, okay, let me be open-minded. And I think that helped with the first day, because the first day was something that I totally did not expect. Day 2 of our IgniteCon itself, and so we've got Christine here revving them up, and then after that we head off into marketing and preparing for them to pitch for Saturday's big day, which is the Dragons Den shootout.
When you're closing, you're not putting them under pressure, but you're trying to move them from delivering value to prompting action.
Do you see how it changes the narrative of what you're selling? And when you change the narrative of what you're selling, obviously marketing is the tool that we use to communicate this. So the mindset is what needs to shift at the beginning.
Success.
Yes.
Tell us what's going on here.
Having a haircut in preparation for my pitch tomorrow. I need to look presentable. I need to look believable. You know,
100%.
First impression counts, my brother.
Sure.
It's everything.
And you got a barber to come all the way out here
Yep.
through the gravel.
I think that, like anything in life, for you to be successful, you've got to approach it with purpose. And by purpose means that you're ready.
Good morning, IgniteCon.
I think the highlight is more that people showed up, prepared and ready, with nerves and everything. They showed up and they represented the best of themselves.
It's very rare, like I said, to get somebody who will come in and show so much of interest in your business where you lost interest, but they are there to bring you up and show you, hey, you know what, there's hope. Yeah.
When it came to my ask and asking for knowledge, it's to get an outside perspective and how they do it, and just add more tools to my toolbox. I'm excited for the mischievous way of looking at business.
between yesterday's session and today, just listening to how they also approach it. So I think it's a great bunch of people. So I think ultimately what you guys are doing is amazing, and we fully support it.
Like, I'm looking for business partners every day. And, I didn't know what to expect coming here. And, as people were talking and I kept putting that I'm in thing, and I thought, okay, this is what's the pipeline, POs. Be walking out of here with new friends. Didn't know these people yesterday, but I'm going to see them now for the next couple of years.